Hi friends, and welcome to a new day of learning. So I hope you enjoyed our farmers market video and watching the kids visit the farmers market and find all those fruits and vegetables. And thank you so much to everybody who sent me pictures of your drawings that you did of a fruit or vegetable that you saw. So let's go ahead and get started with our calendar time for the day. All right, so our month is May. Can you say that? May. Awesome. All right, let's say our days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Awesome. All right, so our strawberry is on yesterday where we left off. So we need to get it to today and find out what today is. So let's count to find out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If you said 12, you would be right. So we're going to move the strawberry over to the 12. And if we look up, we can see what day of the week it is. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So today is Tuesday, May 12th. All right, let's go ahead and do our attendance and then we'll move on to our activities. Okay, so who is here today? Let's see who's going to be first today. All right, it's Jameek and Sarah. And we have Michael, Henley, Emmy, Clyde, Liam, Mark, Melanie, Kendall, Carter and Roland, Sebastian, Garrett, Jackson, Cheyenne, Hunter, Hannah, Luca, Ziana, Davin, and Brian. All right, so today we're going to be learning a little bit more about those fruits and vegetables we saw yesterday. So we know that they're sold. They can be sold at farmers markets. And where do they come from again? Where do they come from? We said if we only need a little bit of fruits and vegetables, they can come from a garden. But if we need a lot, they come from a farm. So our question this week is, how do crops grow and where? So what is a crop? If we said that fruits and vegetables in big amounts grow on the farm, then those are the crops. So crops are a huge field of fruits or vegetables that come from a farm, that are grown on a farm, and they're in a big field, and the farmers take care of them just like we would take care of our garden. So I have a story for you about how some foods that we eat come from farms and from farmers. So our story is called Right This Very Minute. And it looks like she's eating a couple different types of food. She's got a salad, and we know that has vegetables in it. She has some different meats. She's got some peas and carrots. And she has milk on her table. So let's find out what this has to do with farms. What's that you say? You're hungry for breakfast? Right this very minute. Then you need a farmer. You have the stories of so many right here on your table. Right this very minute in a citrus grove, a grower tests oranges for ripeness. When the fruit is ready, the harvesting crew will pick the oranges, which will be squeezed into your juice in the morning, that you drink in the morning. Right this very minute, in a new field on a wheat farm, a farmer drills furrows the perfect depth for seeds. Your pancakes were made with wheat that was grown, harvested, and then ground into flour. Wow, so even your pancakes come from the farm. Right this very minute, in a sugar bush filled with maple trees, a sugar maple replaces old collection buckets with a new system to carry maple sap to a storage tank. The sap will be boiled down in evaporators until it becomes thick and sweet like maple syrup you pour on your pancakes. What's that you say? You like a snack? Right this very minute? Then you need a farmer. You have the knowledge of so many right here in your hands. Right this very minute, as the sun sets on a cranberry marsh, a grower starts protecting the crop from frost. The grower will be up all night checking the sprinklers to keep the plants from freezing so the cranberries can become part of your trail mix, your snack. Right this very minute, on a southern farm, a peanut farmer installs soil sensors to make sure the fields aren't too wet or too dry. The sensors help the farmer decide when and how much to water these sensitive plants. So they're taking care of your peanut plants. What's that you say? It's time for lunch? Right this very minute. Then you need a farmer. You have the hard work of so many right here in your lunchbox. Right this very minute, a dairy farmer takes care of the cows. The cheese in your sandwich was made with milk from cows that must be milked at least twice every day, whether it's a weekday or a Saturday, a birthday or a holiday. They still have to work. Right this very minute, farmers till and test the soil for nutrients to make sure it's healthy before planting seeds that will grow into long, crunchy carrots. Right this very minute, an apple grower works with a beekeeper to bring beehives into an orchard. Hundreds of thousands of honeybees will pollinate these pink blossoms, helping each tree grow many bushels of apples for you to enjoy. What's that you say? You're ready for dinner? Right this very minute. Then you need a farmer. You have the pride of so many right here on your plate. Right this very minute, a cattle rancher moves the herd to a wide pasture to graze. She cares for the cows and welcomes their calves into the world. When the calves are old enough, they will move to new pastures or feed yards before they're harvested for the beef that will be made into food. Right this very minute, a farmer plans a crop rotation schedule to keep the soil healthy and grow more of the very best vegetables, like the potatoes you've topped with broccoli and cheese. Right this very minute, some farmers prepare produce for delivery to the grocery stores, and others box it up to sell at the local farmers markets, just like we're learning about. Before lettuce and tomatoes ever get tossed in a salad or put on top of a hamburger, they must travel from the farm to the hungry customers. What's that you say? You'd like dessert? Right this very minute. Then you need a farmer and sometimes a whole farming family. You'd have the dedication of so many right here on your fork. Right this very minute, a grower checks the weather forecast in a family-owned strawberry patch, while workers help hundreds of visitors pick their own strawberries. Right this very minute, a family checks their backyard coop to make sure the chickens have enough feed and fresh water. Then they collect eggs that get made into foods like the shortcake in your bowl. What's that you say? You want to grow your own food? Right this very minute. Then you need to think like a farmer. You can help plant a garden right here in your community or at your house. Right this very minute, you and your friends, family, and neighbors can work together to choose which crops to grow in your gardens. In a few months, you will enjoy healthy snacks and meals made with the fruits and vegetables you harvest yourself. Every single day of every year, farmers tend to their crops, care for their animals, and work hard to feed their families and yours. Next time you eat your breakfast, snack, lunch, dinner, or dessert, remember that somewhere right this very minute, there's a farmer to thank for your delicious food. And if someday you decide to become a farmer, right that very minute, you'll be doing your part to feed the world too. The end. So that was a really cool story about how important farmers are and how important it is to have farms. So this week we're just going to be learning about the fruits and vegetables that they grow, and next week we'll be learning about farms that have other things on them. But this week we're just learning about farms that grow plants, okay, like the fruit and vegetable plants. So that's pretty cool that you could plant your own garden. And I know right now we can't get together with our friends to do that, but you could do it with your family and get some seeds or small plants of fruits or vegetables that you could plant and make your very own garden, and you could have your very own food from them. That's pretty cool. So our next video is going to be our song practice, and then you'll be all done for the day. So I hope you have a great day and enjoyed our story. Bye.